Hello students! If you have received a scholarship through Buddy for Study, it's important that you acknowledge the receipt of the scholarship funds on our portal. Remember, if you fail to confirm that you have successfully received the amount, it may affect your eligibility for future scholarships. In today's video, we will show you how you can acknowledge the scholarship fund disbursement on Buddy for Study. First, log into the Buddy for Study portal using your registered ID. After logging in, you will see a pop-up message saying you have successfully logged in. Click on the OK button. Next, if awarded, you will receive another pop-up message asking you to acknowledge the receipt of your scholarship payment. Click the OK button to confirm that you have received the amount. Now, you will be redirected to the awarded scholarships section located at the bottom left corner of a new page. If your scholarship has been disbursed, you will see an acknowledge button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on it. You have now successfully acknowledged the receipt of your scholarship payment. A confirmation message will appear on the page. Additionally, after acknowledging your scholarship payment, you can download your scholarship certificate by clicking the Download Certificate button at the top of the page. We present this scholarship certificate as recognition of your dedication in achieving this milestone in your academic journey. Download your certificate now to mark your glorious success. For more informative videos like this, remember to like, share and subscribe Buddy for Study. We will see you in the next video. All the best.